We are now recording.
A stone forest of forgotten names.
Oh,
I'd like to know how much life you got down to on that one close, semi-close call, or whatever you want to call it.
yeah, I'm not even sure. It came pretty close, though.
Yeah. Oh, prophecy. Shit. Sorry about that.
I'm not worried. I can handle it now.
The voice is cutting out again. Can you get that decimation bow?
Maybe.
Thank you. If you can just idea it, if it's a lot of physical stuff, like we're looking for your bow, then, or your one hand.
Oh, leave me alone.
Oh, pulled over the ground. Yeah, you can drop it. You didn't mean little booger.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, yeah, let's get the walls to come back.
I bet I need this completion.
Yeah, we'll get it. He's mean. Can be. Oh, I see a trial.
Oh, let's hope it's the one we need. Or the one I need. Ah, piercing truths.
Oh, oh, fuck.
Come on, attack.
Oh, they keep resurrecting. You're a resurrector? No?
Yeah, I think this is gonna have to be the last run because I am lagging myself.
Alright. Yeah, I was having some bad issues with it.
And necromancers.
Oh, grats. Oh.
Shit.
Go to town.
I'm good. Really? Move.
Oh, that's the Harbinger.
That's all you. There, now I'm in there.
Wow, I started lagging. These things are tingling me. Alright, that's second frosty complete. Is there a bunch over here still? Oh shit, I guess so.
39 left. $12.
Probably be all in the boss room. So I think it's a skeleton, I think. You know, I can't remember.
Nope, there's one.
Yeah, fuck it, we can go. Down it. Alright, yeah, be careful. This guy can be pretty darn... If I'm thinking of the right one.
Okay, shatter.
Oh shit. I about just died. Back out. I'm backing out. Seriously,
Shit.
I can't do that. Yeah, just get out of there with that, please. Don't deal with.
Because I almost died too.
Yeah, I healed up instantly, but he about took me out.